What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. It's gonna be quick though. I just wanted to talk to you guys about my hair. So I tried perm rods for the first time late at night, and these are the results. I have a quick clip of me taking it down. It's not long, it's not a tutorial, it's just showing you guys what I did to take it down. These are the curls. Showing everything, but I'm trying. The setting that I'm at right now is horrible. Once I move, it will be a lot better. These are the products that I used on my hair. I use this Frizz Ease Air Dry Wave Styling Foam. This shit is the truth. No joke. The best foam I've ever used. I used this on my client hair after doing crochet braids and raked it through, and her curls were so soft and defined. My curls are soft and they're really defined, and I slept with this overnight and my hair was completely dry the next morning, and I was shocked because usually locks take forever. So I used this leave-in conditioner spray bottle, and I used these perm rods all over my hair. I have 67 locks. I started off with 130. So yeah, I went from 130 to 67 locks, and I would not go back. I like my locks thicker. It's easier to maintain. My sister, come sis. Come in my YouTube vid, sis. My sis, Aaliyah, which we have a collab YouTube together.
It's about to be loaded on.
Yeah, we're gonna load that. That's coming soon, but I'm gonna tag it at the bottom. It's liyahandjess. She does all of my lock maintenance. I started my locks with 2-strand twists, and from that day on, after the month of letting it rock out, she's been retwisting my hair, and it's just made 2 years. She has been taking care of my hair. It's healthy. I'm sorry, guys. I have nothing against locticians, but I'm very scared because I'm a hairstylist, and I know the proper ways and techniques to do your hair, and I don't use a comb in my hair. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't use a comb ever to retwist my hair. My sister, she uses her fingers to clean my parts, and that's it. I feel like, honestly, that's the best way. See, this lock right here, this is my thicky ones right here. You know, it didn't curl that good, but whatever. It gives my hair a little, it gives it its own uniqueness. But yeah, I don't use combs in my hair, and a lot of locticians use combs. And me personally, and I'm giving my professional opinion because I am a professional. Everybody might not agree with me, but this is what I go by. This is what works for me. This is what I do with my clients with their locks, and their locks are flourishing. I don't use combs because comb causes for thinness. It thins your hair out, period. I don't care what nobody says. It thins your hair out because you're taking the comb, you're digging at your root, and you're twisting it to the point that it's tight. I've seen people with their retwist so tight, it looks like their scalp is gonna bust. That's not the way to do it. That's not the way to do it. In the next 10 years, you're gonna be thinning, okay? That's another reason why I did thicker locks, because my hair is very fine texture. Like, even if you look down here, this lock, this is a big lock. You see how big this part is? But look how small my lock is. You see? That's why I had to combine the locks, because I knew that a lot of them would not survive if I didn't. So, honestly, if I had to answer any questions that a lot of girls have asked me, best decision I made in my life. I probably would never go back to loose natural hair. And I know a lot of girls with locks say that and they end up cutting their hair. Not this one. And if I do cut my hair, it will not be to have a big afro again. I'm rocking it short. Short, colors, all of that. I'm not dealing with long hair again. So my goal is to, I want to go all the way down to where, let me see. Sorry for my big booty on the camera, guys. I want it down here. And then once it gets here, I'll cut it to broad straight. Yeah. Or I might as well leave it. I see people with their knees, to their knees. I can't do that because that's too much washing, too heavy. Like my hair is heavy now. It reaches like right here straight and it's getting heavy. So let me know where you're going, Skunk. I love them. I love my curls and I love the fact that my sis has my hair so healthy. I don't trust nobody in my hair. And if she ever leave me, I'm gonna be doing my own hair because I'm so freaking scared. But yes, I have more videos coming, more hair videos, more this. Check out me and my sis channel. I'm gonna put it in the description box below. We have so much dope content. You're gonna see some over here and you're gonna see a lot over there. A lot of vlogging, all of that. Continue to support me, guys, because I appreciate the support. I know I be MIA, fickle, back and forth. But I don't do this for the fame or the fortune like I tell people all the time. I do YouTube because I just enjoy giving people information, talking to you guys, and getting you guys feedback and letting you know what's going on in my life. I've been on this since 2009. I could care less about being a guru. I could care less about any of that because I've noticed that a lot of that had just become repetitive. I follow a lot of different girls on YouTube and it's like I look at your video, then I'm looking at the same 5 girls with the same video. Not hating, not knocking anybody, but me personally, I don't like that shit. So that's why I do my videos the way I do it. It's either you love it or you don't. I could care about how many people watch it. I could care about, I had my little 1,200 subscribers for the past 3 years and I love each and every one of y'all. I could care less. But if there are new ones that are out there and they want to support me, come on with it because I'm with it and I love you guys to death. So stay tuned for new videos coming soon. Later.